Hi everyone. Exciting day today. It's time for a lemon harvest.
Yes.
Jerry, you've been waiting for this for a long time.
Oh
right?
yes, we have just had challenges with lemons, so this is huge. I can't wait.
Oh my gosh. The lemon tree really took off last year after we repotted it from some old whiskey barrels or wine barrels, I guess they are actually.
That's right. So for those of you who have been following for a long time, you may remember that right in this very spot, they used to be in wine barrels, and they just weren't growing. I don't know why.
They were getting root bound, they didn't have enough space, and we repotted them into these beautiful 30-gallon smart pots. Wow, what a difference.
It's totally healthy.
Oh my gosh, it totally took off. There's more room for the roots. The air prunes are not getting roots or root bound in the smart pots.
Yep.
We've got little lemons all over the tree.
Yeah.
I think there's probably 10 or 15.
Look at them all.
Lots of green ones and 3 that are ready. Now, the thing about lemons is you can have green ones and ripe ones on the tree at the same time. And, it's just the way lemons go, but they do continue to ripen off the tree. But the first thing you do want to look for is the color, although it's not necessarily always an indication. But these are nice and yellow, which is a great sign. And the other thing you want to look for is when your lemons are about 2 inches in diameter, which these 3 definitely are.
Yeah.
And then Jared, get these lemons kind of a little bit of a squeeze here. They have a little bit of a give to them.
Little bit.
Just a little bit.
Not a lot.
Which is good. You don't want them real squishy because that means they're overripe. But these, ready to roll. And what you want to do when you're harvesting lemons is you want to clip them off the vine. I've got my nice sharp pair of pink Hoseling pruners. Love these things, love the pink. So Jerry, grab these and you're just going to snip them right off of the tree.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Woohoo! First 2 lemons, got one more there.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that one even has a little teeny lemon attached to it. Guess what we're going to do?
Are we going to try them?
What have you been waiting for this whole time?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. We're going to make some fresh squeezed lemonade.
Yay!
Let's head over here and we're going to give it a go.
All right. All right, what do we do next? This looks so good.
First off, we got to squeeze the lemon juice. We want every last drop that we can. So Jerry, I'm going to have you go ahead and cut the lemons in half.
Okay.
Got my little citrus squeezer here.
All right, this looks great.
One more. Look at that little lemon on there. I'm going to use my little hand citrus squeezer here to squeeze this into a glass. Every last little bit of that lemon juice. Look at that. Oh my gosh, can you smell that?
Yes.
Oh, I love fresh citrus. Fresh lemon juice is the best. So we need about a half a cup of lemon juice for our recipe here. And you always get more juice out of the lemons if you squeeze them at room temperature. And when you pick them fresh, they're at the outdoor temperature.
So that you're going to get the most juice that way.
It's perfect, yeah.
Never knew that. How does she know?
Been doing this a long time. I think we're going to need maybe half a more lemon, and then we'll be good to go. Wow, there's a lot of juice in these. So much more than is in the lemons that you get from the grocery store.
That is a lot.
Look at all that. Whoa! Look at all that beautiful pulp. I think we're good, and we're going to use these other lemons for something else. Maybe we'll make another drink later on tonight, or it would be really good on my chicken that we grill. Delicious. We've got to add some sugar to our lemonade. So what I did is I dissolved a half a cup of sugar in 2/3 cup of water. I just boiled it, got it nice and hot, so the sugar would dissolve, and then I stuck it in the fridge so it's nice and cold.
Good.
And I've got about a cup of water here for a lemonade. So Jerry, why don't you go ahead and pour the lemon juice into the sugar water. It's gonna have a nice tart flavor.
That looks so good.
And I've got a little surprise. Gonna be right back.
I don't know what's going on. This is off script.
Okay, we have got some chilled glasses, and this is gonna take our lemonade over the top. These have been in the freezer for several hours.
Oh, I see what's going on here.
Summer's day.
Pebble ice, yes.
So what we're going to do is fill them about halfway full with our lemon sugar mixture.
Oh.
Can you hear that?
You guys hear that?
And then put some of this cold filtered water. Top it off. Ooh.
So everyone, you're going to get to watch us sample this.
Now,
right?
Yes, but
Okay.
Make it even better.
What?
Got to reach behind us, grab some mint. I love this. Nothing like being out in the garden. You get one?
Oh. Oh, it smells so
It's going to be lemonade mint, but there's more. Reach over here and grab a couple pansy blossoms because pansies are edible. The most beautiful lemonade you've ever had. Now, what we do to help release the flavor of the mint, you put it in your hand.
Oh yeah, I've seen you do
And you
this.
go like this. Ready? One, two, three. Now smell it. Oh my gosh, over the top.
That's why you
guys.
do that?
Yes,
I
it
never
releases
do.
all the oils in
Okay.
the mint. So then you put it in your glass. Put this beautiful pansy right on top.
Yep. All right, here we go. Let's
Here we
do
go.
this.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Here we go.
To lemonade.
Yep. Thanks everyone for all their help and advice.
Get that garnish out of the way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
The flavor, it's
Yeah,
amazing.
it's pure.
So
It's
clean and
pure.
pure.
Yeah.
Nice and tart too. I don't like it super sweet, so it's perfect.
Goodness. It's
All right,
so
drink it up.
cold too.
It is. Keep drinking the mint there.
Oh, and you get the smell of this garnish.
The mint and the pansy. So delicious. All right, cheers everyone. Thank you so much for coming along for our lemon harvest
After all these years.
all these years. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
One more.